So we are going to use again ready to pour paints because I want to try something new. I don't know if it's going to be successful. It's a technique that I saw in the channel called Color Me Zoe, and I'm going to start by putting a lot of white in here. So this is the ready, and I am using leftover paints from previous pours, so I don't have, some of these bottles doesn't have too much paint. Imagine this is good. Wow, it's almost the white completely. Okay, so in the middle I'm gonna put color. Let's start with the turquoise. Turquoise. That was a deep turquoise. This is lemon. Oh, lemon. Blue. Green. And I put a buffer between the red and the green. Let's put white. And then the red. Whoa, this red is closed. Show you the colors in a minute. Red, orange, which I don't have too much orange left. I want to finish that one. Okay, let's see. Now, okay, so I used, this is bright yellow. I'm gonna tell you the colors in a second. Bright yellow. So that was bright yellow. This is vivid orange. And this is poppy red. And this is deep teal. And this is deep turquoise. I don't know if I use the deep teal. Let's put it. Wow. That's a deep teal. And I used lemon yellow. And the green was the green neon. Wow. And blue neon. And the white. So, gonna take a blower. So I did not use any silicone, and it has gorgeous, gorgeous cells. And I'm just gonna leave it like this. I was gonna use another technique. I just want to finish some of the edges. I'm gonna move the painting there. Okay, so I'm gonna take from the bottom and clean the edges, and so this is it. I think this is wonderful. Oh, I'm gonna give you a close-up. It does have cells, but I did not add any silicone. Okay, no silicone at all was added, and I think it was also real fast to do, and I think it's pretty. So this is the end result, and look at all the cells. There was no silicone added in here. So I wanted to use a hair dryer, but with these paints it is very hard to do. I tried doing the dashboard, but if you put a thin layer, the dashboard, you use thin layers of paints, it doesn't work quite well as if you do it with this technique. If you want to use a blower with this type of paints, you'll have to do it this way. And I think it's pretty cute, pretty interesting. So I think I'm gonna do this sometime again. Just wanted to share this technique with you. Hope you like it.